Hey, this is Lady C, back in the creative studio, coming to break it down to you about email and what you're doing wrong when you're sending emails to multiple recipients. Now, this is the video that you want to share with your friends and family because they need to know all about what I'm getting ready to talk about in this upcoming video. So come on over to the computer and I'm going to break it down for you. Okay, so here we're going to start talking about what is the difference between a CC and a BCC. So CC is an abbreviation that stands for carbon copy. And the CC field of an email sends copies to people or email inboxes added on that line. And it's sometimes referred to as a courtesy copy. And those added in the CC field are typically not required to take action or reply to the email. And it is most often used to keep those recipients informed. Whereas on the other hand, BCC is an abbreviation that stands for blind carbon copy. With BCC, it does not show other recipients who got a copy. And BCC recipients don't see further replies from the email thread. CC is used when you're trying to keep colleagues and leaders in the loop. So you may have to CC managers or stakeholders or people like that, or you're introducing contacts. For instance, email introductions often use CC to make all email addresses visible, though you can also put both parties in the to field as well. It's also used when you're taking on a coworker's tasks. So maybe you're filling in for a coworker while they're on vacation, but when you send out this email correspondence, you're trying to CC them on it to let them know that you're taking care of business in their behalf while they're gone. So now we're going to talk about BCC. Why would you use BCC? This is for people when they're sending out a mailing list. You want to send professional emails to those who may not know each other, you know? And so what it does is it protects the privacy of others, and it's often a good practice of email etiquette. You may also use BCC when you're issuing a newsletter, you know? Again, protecting the privacy of a subscriber. And let's just say, for instance, you're sending out a farewell message and you're saying goodbye to people. And you know what the most annoying thing is with these emails is when somebody sends an email and then like 20 people that are recipients that happen to be CC'd on the email, oh, now they got to hit reply all. So you got like 20 people going back and forth. You did a great job. It was excellent. It was magnificent. It is awesome. And then finally somebody says, will you guys please stop hitting reply all? Because I don't want to keep getting all of these messages. If you put people in a BCC, there's no way that they're able to hit reply all and everybody will get the email. Okay, now I hope you guys enjoyed these tips and now you really understand what it means to use the CC versus the BCC. Now, if you enjoyed these tips, make sure you hit that like button and I'll see you on the next video.